Oh my God, I am not going to lose my beauty because I wouldn't say I'm pissed or something, but I'm disappointed. Like, really, I'm disappointed because I don't understand. The Voice Nigeria, what did y'all do today? Do you know how many thousand of people are expecting an amazing live show today? Or you guys are doing Owambe, you're doing preparing the stage, doing parties, huh? So of course, I'm sure I'm not the only person who is disappointed today, as the Voice Nigeria didn't give us the show we were waiting for. Like, we didn't get the live shows today. Of course, basically what the Voice Nigeria did today was to give us a lowdown of every contestant that has been taken into the live shows from every team, from like Team Darey, Team Waje, Team Yemi, and Team Falz. Like, I was like, okay, guys, are you going to take 30 minutes to do this shit? Because I'm ready for some violent, amazing, world-class performances. But of course, they broke my heart. They did break my heart. Although the lowdown was quite beautiful to see how each of the contestants built and became amazing, or how each of the contestants were so powerful from the initial stage and then started losing their cool and losing their vibe, and which made them not be picked. So at the end of today's review, whatever you want to call. Okay, guys, so at the end of today's review of all the contestants who have gotten down to the live shows, it was announced that those who were on voting to be selected into the live shows have been chosen, and that the voting lines are now closed, and that announcement is going to be made next week. So if you're heartbroken like me, just know that the whole show is going to fully kick off next week. And we're expecting that out of the 8 contestants who were up for voting, we might get 2 or 4 being selected for the live shows. Now, guys, don't forget to hello, people. You're welcome back to my channel. Of course, it is Lady Jackson with a cup of wine, anytime, any day, bringing you spice, juice, entertainment, celebrity gossip, and also reality TV show analysis every time of the week. And with Big Brother Naija reunion right up on our faces, I bring you those details as a day hot. You know me now, trust me, I bring it with this spice of amazing personality. Now, of course, just last week, The Voice Nigeria Season 3 rounded off the battle stage, and sadly, some of our favorites didn't get to be picked. But of course, we were given the options to vote and save, I think, about 2 or 4 people, and I'll make a prediction of the people that will be picked. Oh, did you know I haven't taken a sip? So, of course, in this video, I'm going to be giving my full analysis of the top 4 best battle stage performances. And of course, I beg to disagree. This is my opinion. You can air yours down in the comment section below. And now, let me let you know this. I am selecting these people in order of priority to me and Nigerians. First off, I have in mind Nigerians because Nigerians, unlike other competitions around the world, they just like the vibe, the uniqueness and the Nigerianness in the music, and that's what I'm going to give. So on my number 4 is Esther and Jeremiah. They're singing Uyamiya, Uyamiya, oh. Oh, it's like, is it just me, or does Esther's voice have this unique, special thing about it? Like, she has this aura of the olden days Celine Dion, you know, that pure, full round voice. And each time she sings, it sounds like she's singing a gospel song. And Uyomeyo has, I don't know how Tenny wrote that song, but that particular song. And then Jeremiah, literally Jeremiah is the only guy, the only person to have this full round, deep depth voice. He sounds more like Nonso of the first season or the second season. Second on my list will be, guess, Naomi and Tamara. Oh my God, this song was amazing. Like, I was like, girl, you ain't gonna lose your beauty, because I was ready to do, scatter body. But of course, I need to maintain beauty. See, let me just put it out there. Tamara, girl, you is good. If you're watching this, Lady Jackson says, hi, baby. We're going to hang out sometime. And Naomi Mark, baby. It is the meal dressing for me. It is the fact that you had to have that swag for me. I never knew you could dance for me. But of course, ladies and gentlemen, girl, you is looking stunning. The yellow. This was a beautiful performance, and it's wonderful to see. Of course, third on my list would be no other. Like, if I didn't have these people in this compilation, I would not forgive myself. Like, girl, it would be the jealousy for me. It would be the lack of understanding for me. But of course, because I have this beautiful, amazing personality and I know what I love in music and what Nigerians love, then it has to be Rachel and Kippy singing Oliver, twist, Oliver. Course, I don't know what to say. It's all Oliver. Like, oh my God. I need to apologize. Rachel, girl, I love you and you is good. Your audition didn't cut it for me, but I never knew you were this talented. Literally, this song is not Rachel's space. It is not Rachel's space in any way, but Rachel did amazing in this song, and it is beautiful to see. And then Kippy, this is the first time I'm hearing Kippy use his voice. Like, he sounded good. Kippy, you have the vibe, and boy, when everything is done, we're gonna hang out. Lady Jackson to another star to star. You understand? Y'all that is jealous, go hug a transformer. So last but not the least is my amazing, my beautiful, and my lovely Peace. Girl, peace. Girl, if you don't come through, okay, you came through, so why am I saying if you don't come through? Peace and Dap was singing, mine already, and it needed, Shatawali, Beyonce. Damn, that was beautiful. Like, see, I cannot help for rephrase. I cannot help but see that this performance is top stage worthy. This performance is world stage worthy. Like, this was beautiful. I doff my cap. Peace, girl, we're gonna go shopping together. And that will, oh my God, that will, you always just mesmerize me. Boy, you mesmerized me. This was beautiful. Like, oh my gosh. Damn. It was my top 4 performances on the battle stage. And of course, a new live shows begins today. Now, guys, this live shows is going to be bloody, and it's going to be announced in this live shows. It's going to be announced I don't know, there are like 8 people who are on the voting level to be selected for the live shows, and we're not specified as to how many they're going to take. So let's just put it out there. They're going to take 2 people out of 8, or let's say 4. So we're going to pick one person from each team, and I'm going to predict this so quickly. For Team Waje, there is Ayo and Noel. And I really feel they're going to pick Noel might just win. And on Team Falz is Peace and Tamara. But God, like, this is so difficult, baby. It's so difficult. But I would predict that Peace will get through because she's the only lady who has the KP vibe. She has the Nigerian vibe for music, for groove, and it's something that needs to be that is commendable. On Team Darey, there is Rachel and Jerry, but damn, these people are so good. They're so good. Like, I'm almost losing my peace, But I feel Jerry will go through because he's the only guy of his time. And last but not the least is Team Yemi. On Team Yemi is Vanilla and Tosin. And I need to say, Tosin really did well in her battle stage. I never expected it because girl wasn't really cutting it for me totally, but she is so good. Her semi-thick, raspy voice is beautiful. And Vanilla, the firehouse girl. But I still feel Nigerians will go with Vanilla. But let's see how this all spans out. Now, guys, don't forget, I'm going to bring you the lowdown on today's live shows. How amazing, how thrilling and beautiful it was. What you're going to do for me is click on the subscribe button. Click on the bell button beside for notifications on every post I make. Don't forget to like this video, share comments below, and also share this video. Ciao.